Hi, this is Gail with BERNINA of Naperville, and today I am going to show you how you can update the firmware on your BERNINA 880 Plus. Now, of course, this video I'm going to be doing my 880 Plus Crystal Edition that I have at home, but I want you to know that this process is very similar no matter what model of the new BERNINAs that you have, whether you have a 535, a 570, a 590, 700, 500, 770, 770 plus, 790 plus, you know, the whole bit, because we all want to use those new medium clamp square hoop and the large Freearm hoop. And don't forget, there's going to be another video coming out later this fall to help you update your 750, 780, 830 machines as well. But for now, we're working on the new models and they're all uploaded at bernina.com. So let's have a look here and get started. So we're going to start off simply going to bernina.com to get our new firmware. So obviously today I told you that we're going to be doing this for a BERNINA 880 Plus, which is true. However, you can do this same process for any new BERNINA machine. So even the BERNINA 790 Plus, the 770, the 770 Plus, you would just search for your model machine and the support page. So I'm going to start doing this. So I'm going to go to machines and I'm going to go over here to sewing machines. And I'm just going to click this one, and just so you can see there, you can see all of our different models listed. There's the 880, the 790, then there's even the new ones that aren't quite out yet, but nonetheless, you're going to select your machine. So what I'm going to do to upgrade or update the firmware, update the firmware on my machine, as I've got the 880 Plus Crystal Edition, I'm going to select the Learn More button. And then I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to go to the support page. And I'm going to go to the support page for the BERNINA 880 Plus. And now we can see here that we have new firmware. So the release firmware that we're looking for is 39.06.12. That's the latest. You can see that this was uploaded on August 8th, 2022. So you want to download your instructions by clicking on this button, looking at the release notes, which is going to tell you what capabilities you're going to get from this, and then of course starting your download with this. Now this is going to come to you as a zipped folder, so while that's downloading, we're going to go ahead and have a look at our release notes, and that opens up as a PDF document. And you can see here it's going to tell us what machines this is for, and it's in multiple languages, but English is first. And we can see here that this update for the firmware is going to provide us these new functions, which is compatibility with the new embroidery hoops. And that, of course, is the large Freearm and the medium square clamp hoop. And this is the previous version. And so we're going to just go away from that. And if we click again on the download the instructions on this link, we can see here the items that we're going to need for the update, and then the introduction, how to prepare the stick, and all of those good things. Once your file has downloaded, we're going to go ahead and show it in the folder. Mine downloads automatically to my downloads folder, so I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to put it in my documents folder, and I'm going to create a new folder by right-clicking, and I'm going to call this 880 Plus Firmware, and then I'm going to open that folder and paste, and I did that by right-clicking and hitting paste. So now I want to click on this folder, right-click, and extract all, and it's going to put it right in this folder here. And once we extract everything, we are going to delete our zipped folder. And now we can take this folder and simply open it up, and we see our files that we need to put on our stick. So now that we have these, I'm going to simply put my BERNINA of Naperville USB stick in my computer and drag and drop my files. And you can see when I plugged in my stick, it showed this empty folder right here. So I am just going to click here, hold down Shift and click, and then I'm going to copy. See my little icon right there? And then I'm going to go to my USB stick, click, and then hit paste, which is the book here, and it's going to copy. That little clipboard is paste, and that's going to copy that over to my stick. And now once that's on my stick, I'm going to go ahead and close this one and close out my things, and then I'm going to select my USB stick down here, and I'm going to eject my mass storage. That's my little BERNINA of Naperville stick there. And now it's safe to remove it. I can close, and then I'm going to put this in my machine. Hey, I interrupt this video for a second. So some of you might be nervous or timid about downloading these files and transferring them onto a USB stick. We got you. Simply go to our homepage and buy a BERNINA of Naperville USB stick from us. We'll put the correct files on that stick for you. You're welcome. All you need to do is in the comments section, tell us what model machine you have, and we're happy to do that for you. Yes, I know. Thank you. Thank you for your great comments about this.
So I'm updating my BERNINA 880 Plus Crystal Edition, and it doesn't matter if I'm in sewing mode or embroidery mode here. I'm just going to press the gears right here on the machine, and then I'm going to go to the machine button. And I'm going to place my USB stick that has my download in my machine. And then I'm going to go to my gears or my little wrench there and then update. And now I can save my data, any personal settings or anything that I have with my machine onto the stick. And as you can see, it spins because it's thinking. And then once that's complete, I see my update button is highlighted or active again. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And now this is going to take a minute because it's going to load all of the new information from the update. And it's very important that we leave the machine alone at this point and let it go through its process. So the machine is going to power off, power back on again, and then the final time it comes on, it's going to explain to you up here that the update was successful. So we just need to leave it in this position. And now it's successful and I'm ready to sew. And one of the main things that you get from this new update is the ability to choose the new medium clamp quilting hoop. So now if I pick a design like this and I want to enlarge it, I can get a full 8.5 inch block of quilting just like that. So we'll have a tutorial on this in another video, but now you're ready at least to get your hoop. Don't forget that this also has the hoop for the Freearm, which is this one right here. And this one on the 880 has the same embroidery field as the large oval hoop. So just a couple new hoops and the way that you can prepare your machines for them.
Okay, how excited are you to try your new BERNINA hoops? You're all updated, you're ready to go. Now there's no excuse not to quilt or Freearm embroider until your little heart's content. So if you like this video and you want to see more just like it, don't forget to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe.